Alright, you guessed it. Another conservation area pond. I fished this like 3 or 4 years ago, 3 years ago, and caught one right off the bat. It looks like it's way low here all of a sudden though. We have gotten some rain, but it looks way down. I'll give you a pan around, you can check it out. Man, looks way low. That tree's cut down. I bet we can catch a fish or two in here. I just like to get one on the bank. I haven't been fishing in about 4 weeks or so. We're gonna sneak up to it. I'm gonna go with this crankbait. Oops, sorry. Going with these little crankbait. I got the Zoom fluke. Between these two, we should get her done. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna go with this little crankbait first. It's way down. I do see some swirls out there. Let's see what happens here real quick. I wonder why they cut all these trees down. Let's give it a shot. Hopefully we can get a fish right from the get-go. There we go. Yeah, I'm already getting a bite over there. Ooh, I'm getting a little sunfish. I know there's some bass in here. We're not gonna give it too much time. I see some perch swimming around over here. We got a little bit of scouting to do tonight. We got archery season quickly approaching. So I figured I'd stop at this pond real quick. Shoot. All right. I think I see a bass swimming right there. Yeah. We'll go over on this side. Try it over here. Oh, I see a few bass swimming around right there. That looked like a pretty decent one. Oh man, there's 2 nice bass. See if I can get them on film real quick. Okay, right out here on the edge of this moss. There's a nice bass right there. I'm gonna go with the Zoom fluke real quick. See what happens. Okay, I've seen a couple little nice bass right there. It looked like at least a couple pounds. I switched over to the fluke. I'm gonna cast it over here in this moss. Ooh, I got a bite. See if he'll hit it again. I see a couple bass out there. There's some bass in this pond. mossy. Got into some moss. Alright. If I can't get them on the fluke, I don't know what else I can get them on. Fluke is, man, this is the good old bait. It's a go-to bait for sure. Well, shoot. May have scared them bass off. I don't know. They were swimming around right there. Anyway, just fun to get out into God's creation. Ooh. I see some wannabes. Let's try something a little different. Alright, this is that Piscifin sling backpack. It's pretty nice. Let's see what I can use here. Let's go with something like, I need something little. Let's try it real quick. See if I can do this real quick. Okay. I think I'm going to walk around just a little bit and try a different angle at them. Worm that they can sink their teeth into. Put on just a little worm. Where's that big one that was out there? I'm telling you, the last time I was here, I caught one first cast. And I'd say the water is pretty clear here where they can see what I'm doing. The jig is up. But I am going to walk around just a little bit. There we go. Got one. Oh, finally. Yes, sir. We'll take him, buddy. Yes, sir. We got one. Yep. There we go. There we go. Good fish. Good fish. Thank you, Jesus. Ooh, he's in there too. Oh yeah, got that nice fish, guys. Take me a quick photo with him. Thank you. Finally, took me about 15 minutes to get this guy on the bank, but not bad at all. All right, let's give him a good release. Again, that's a nice looking fish. He hit hard too. There he goes. But I can get another one real quick. All right, well, nice little side adventure here at a Missouri Conservation Area pond. I was glad I was able to hook up with that one. It was really a nice fish. He fought real well. But I got some other things on the agenda this evening, doing some scouting for archery season. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to the YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.